My name's Steve Tewson, and I'm working for PIC Europe, and I am an associate partner there and financial advisor. I decided to come to this seminar out of curiosity, I guess, more than anything else, because I should know more about digital marketing funnels than I do, and working for a small company, it's either me that does it or I'm not going to get sent on a course by management because I'm doing it for myself and trying to improve myself. It was very interesting. It's also the fact that it was nice to be in a peaceful garden when you live in the city and a nice day, and it was nice and interactive, and you could share ideas, and which is always helpful to keep it going like that, because if it's just lecture based, I personally find it quite hard to stay awake for several hours for that kind of approach. But if it's interactive, then you can join in. What's the most important takeaway today? I guess it reinforced things I already knew, even if I don't know the answer, such as I need to be a bit more self-critical in my own organization, because I'm a little bit butterfly-minded at time. I jump from one thought to the other, when perhaps it might be easier to just get something done and work through a task list at time. So that's my own things to be working on. Tomorrow, I guess what I do differently, well, I'd try to take on board what I've learned in the seminar, which has reinforced the thoughts I already had. So that must be sending me in the right direction, and now I have to implement it. Whether I will do that directly tomorrow or not is another question. But there's the rest of the week as well. So that would be my major take on. And would I recommend this seminar to a colleague or friend? Most definitely, absolutely. It's entertaining, interesting, you got something to learn, and potential outlets for how to do it at a later date.